Angel's Journey. I'm Shakira. Check it. I thought we could take a look at yesterday's trades and how I missed it by a hair's breadth because I wasn't wearing my glasses. But the setup was sound, and that's the part that makes me happy, which means I can take it next time and then next time and wear my damn glasses. So I figure we take this time and review it and see how the logic behind it and how it worked. All right, let's get it going. Well, I'm gonna make myself honey. Okay, cool. So this is ETH yesterday. So I was so mad. Oh my God, I gotta show you guys this. It's so crazy. And where is my glasses? Don't have it again. I'm gonna miss more things. Gotta go find it. All right, so check it out. So zoom in. So yesterday, and actually, let me drop out to the 1 hour, right? So first things first, what I did yesterday was I went out to the weekly because I wanted to see, sorry about that. And the weekly turned red, right? It had started out the week green, now it's red. So early in the week I was looking for longs, now I'm looking for shorts, right? This is on Thursday morning. So then I look at the daily, and this is how I'm like getting myself some trend, some bias, right? So I was looking at the daily and I was like, oh man, so if they take out this wick right here on the daily, right? And then they reverse and I see my little like break in the opposite direction, take the short. Plus the day was starting red. So then that meant I went down to the 15-minute and marked out some stuff, right? Let's me zoom in, zooming in, zooming in. So this was the daily level that I was expecting, the liquidity that I was expecting to be broken, right? And then they had this internal stop run too, and then they busted through all of that. So let's dip down to like the 2 minutes and see what this looked like. All right. So nice. And I was really more interested in this stop run right here, right? But nice, juicy bust through here. What time was this? Oh, this is 1:30. Hold on. Sorry. Oh, this is Wednesday. Hold on. I should be looking at Thursday because that's when I took that short. Let's analyze this too. Let's see if we would have gotten what we wanted. So we saw we busted through this level. Awesome. They created a fair value gap between this and this. So your entry, in all honesty, could be at the close or at the base of the fair value gap itself, right? Or at the close of this candle. Now this worked beautifully the day before. And then you could have looked for, you know, the next area, like zoom out 15 minutes, and then like aim for the imbalance down here, like a 1 to 4, whatever, and if you were being really, you could have held it for a very long time and then aim for this imbalance down here, shoot, And technically, if we go back, say, to the daily, right? Sorry about that. You could look for the last close of this candle, right? So 1257. So you could have been like, all right, so big imbalance down here. Let's aim for that. Actually, let's go ahead and mark that out, right? Big imbalance. Let's be aware of it. All right. So let's go back to our 15-minute. So where are we in relation to the imbalance? Yeah. So if you could have just like aimed for that imbalance, boom, and then watch that play out. And that actually, let's go back down to the 2-minute. So what were we looking for, right? We're looking for this to price to drive back above here. And then we're looking for like a break for the entry, right? So technically price busted above it, then I wanted to trade below it, and then a break, and then, give us a fair value gap, which it did right there. And I'm still, new on this. Let's grab another calendar, right? So 1, 2, so that's the candle that broke it, 2, busting above it. So let's see. Okay, so here it gave us like a lower level break to ride back up into the imbalance and then, come back down. Oh my God. It's crazy, man. But honestly, like I probably wouldn't even waited for the break, right? Like I'm waiting for the fair value gap. I'm waiting to see if it tapped it, see if we've got some red things. We've got like this inner break. We've traded back into it and then it dropped, right? But I digress because this is not the trade that I took because it is on Wednesday, though it does encapsulate the long I took back up to the general vicinity. So let us make our way to Thursday. Are we still Wednesday? So Thursday's over here. And I'm going to, so Thursday, just so I'm aware of where the heck I am. And I apologize, guys. But that's one way to look at that guy. So Thursday, let me just delineate like 8:30 because this trade I entered in earlier than 8:30, right? But so somewhere over here. So I think the night before, and this is where I was crying like a giant baby, I think. Let me check my BitGet really quickly and look at my history. So I did stupid things yesterday, got stopped out. But the day before, yes, I had two longs open, right, at 13.17. And I think we already talked about those, so we don't have to get back into that. But let's go back into my back testing. Where are you? Right here. Okay. For ETH. So yeah. So I had those longs at 13.17. I was looking for a specific liquidity run, which happened, and we can like see it happening there. Liquidity run, liquidity run. It's after the low of the day for after 1:30 on Wednesday. And then I was looking for a break back up and I saw what I was looking for, break. And then this created a fair value gap down here. So I got my entry somewhere in this general vicinity up here, actually like 13.17. And yeah, so I think I grabbed the liquidity up here, somewhere in this, yeah, right here. And then I wrote it back. And then I got scared and because it took 19 hours to play out, which was annoying. But if I had kept my trade, let me just double check my entry. Open long 13.17.14. So my entry was 13.17.14. Make some up here. And let me see what happens so I can see why I did that. Okay, it's coming back up. What did I see? Let's come back up. So I think it was like some kind of break or something. Or this, I don't know. It's weird. I need to document all that. Something made me enter at 13.17 versus anything else. But anyway, it was a good entry. And let's come back out. And let's see. I think. Okay, so it ate that. Or is this what I'm looking for? This is Wednesday down. Okay, that was the liquidity run right there. Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. And I might be messing this whole thing up. Okay, so here we come to Thursday now. So ignoring all of this randomness up here. So Thursday morning, I was actually expecting this to be taken out. But instead, as I was watching, that didn't get taken out. It took this out instead. Approximately. Just make sure I'm not crazy. Because let's go back to my canceled orders. Canceled, here we are. So my canceled order was 12.90.77. Okay. So where are we? Yeah. Yeah. Perfect. So let's go down to 2 minute. On this puppy. So this liquidity got hunted. And yes, so here we are. This is exactly what I was looking at. So beautiful liquidity hunted, nice fair value gap formed right here, right? And then so I was thinking price is going to come back up here to 12.90, but price stopped at the close of this candle instead of the wick. And then I didn't get my entry. So technically I should have entered here. I should have set my entry here. And I'm going to do this in future. Set it above that, because it's already been hunted. And then, you know, scroll back out to the 15 minute. We see how much price dropped, right? So now I would have scrolled back out to the 15 minute. I had this target down here that I'd set from the other day, right? Beautiful. And I'm just going to put it to the hour long and then press play. Oh, God, look at that. And I was out and about with my mom yesterday, so I couldn't even really. Oh my God, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, hit. Could have aimed for that low. You could have aimed for that low. You could have aimed for that. It came and ate this liquidity, like all of it, just boom. Beautiful. Hashtag sad face. Yeah. Yep, 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 yep. In any case, that's what messed me up yesterday when I was looking up that one. As for this guy, that stop hunt, same scenario, didn't play out as beautifully, but it did give us an opportunity up here. Now, what is going on with my live trade right now with Bitcoin? Okay, taking along on a red day, just stupid. But my plan is to just ride it back up to the, whoops, wrong one. My plan is to ride it back up to the VWAP. Or this imbalance, technically, 17,179. So we'll see. Taking along on a short red day, good idea. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys. And let's take a quick look at my Bitcoin. Let's go back to my order history here. So I had two canceled direct orders, right? The 12.90.77. Did I have a Bitcoin order in yesterday as well? I did not, because I did not see the same setup for Bitcoin, which is hashtag sad face. In any case, let's leave it at that for now. But I just wanted to share what happened then. Oh, and then what did I do? I took longs. Did you guys want to see that? I'm never going to bother. The moral of the story is don't do that. If it's a red day, look for shorts. But I'm doing the same silliness right now because liquidity has been taken and I'm looking for a short. But it's a small trade in the hopes that we'll roll back up to the VWAP. So we'll see how that plays out. But once it gets back to the VWAP, I'm going to be continuing to look for a short term. All right. I think that's it for now. I just wanted to share that with you. One day at a time, we're learning, okay? And I'm learning to keep my glasses on. And I should be comfortable with just dropping a market order if it hasn't hit my price, but is dropping from the area that I want it. Just hit the market order, set my stop loss into my normal spot, and then keep going, right? Right? Okay. Happy Friday. Happy trading, be safe, and follow your process. That's the thing. After my trades the longs that went beautifully that I could have had a nice profit on, but didn't because I got scared. So I have my 2% on each. That taught me that I need to be a lot more patient. Patience is key. Patience is king. I like either of those things. All right, cool. You guys have a good one. Shakira out.